Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on the first box of the year, and of course I'm talking about Boxycharm. So this is a January box of 2018. Woo! Can't believe I just said that. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm excited like always because I mean, why wouldn't you be excited to receive your Boxycharm? Hello. And of course, yeah, I'm in my PJs. I just woke up maybe like an hour ago. Yeah, it was like an hour or so ago, and I was just like, you know what, I just want to film in my PJs, so this is what I'm doing. So let's just get into January Boxycharm. In the box, of course, the first thing I see is this, and this month's theme is Rock 2018. Of course, we all gonna be rocking 2018, like we got this. So the first thing I see is this right here. I have nothing on my face at all. And the first item is the Eyebrow Power Universal Brow Pencil. The retail price is $24. Universal Taupe. Ooh. I don't know about this one. Oh, when you open it says, "You are beautiful, you are it." XOXO Jamie. This is how it looks. This side is the pencil side. And this is the spoolie. Let's zoom you in. I'm a little nervous. Is it because I really want this to work? Because it's like a new brow product. But I don't know if it's gonna be my color. I'm kind of like, it's good, but you do have to set it with a powder. So I used the City Color Bold Brow Powder. I just didn't like when I went over it, right here, it took the product out. So I kept on going, and instead of filling it in, it just, you know, was taking the product away from it. So that was kind of like, I don't like that. For my first time trying this, I'm like 50-50. I like it, but then I don't. With a powder, I like it a lot. Without a powder, no. And the first thing I see in the box is this right here. This is the Glam Meadows Palette by Crown Pro. Retail price $25. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. I love this. Oh, this is so cute. The mirror is a guitar. How cute is that? That's so creative. I'm loving it. I already primed my eyes with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. Now let's get into this. I'm going to take Glam Rock, and I'm gonna apply this shadow in my crease. Going in with the Wicked, gonna apply that on the outer corner. And I'm bringing that up into my crease. Just blending with the first brush I was using. No product. I feel like I'm being a rocker right now because I have the ears on. Like, what is it? Josie and the Pussycats. Going back into the Wicked and applying it on the inner corner. Now going into Heavy Metal with my finger. Going to apply it right here, right in the middle. And then I'm going to go in to Punk and apply right on top. I'm going to take Rock On. And I'm going to apply a little bit as well. Going back into the Wicked. and just gonna clean up the edges. I'm going to use Pop Rock. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with this. You can get different looks, but you also need some matte shadows, and this doesn't have. I use these two for my crease and like outer corner and inner corner. They work good, but they do have a tint of shimmer to it, so it's not matte. Also, you have to pat them on because they're not as pigmented on the first use. I used Pop Rock right on my brow bone and inner corner, and then I used Punk right on top. I did apply some mascara to my lashes. Heading back into the box, I'm going to grab this right here, this 2B thing. This is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. The retail price is $38. This says it's for all skin types. Says apply on clean, moisturized skin. Use alone for a natural balance of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application, AM and PM. I see some shimmer, you know, with this is some shimmer on this. Applying this, I do look a little glowy. Looks like I applied a little glow highlight right here, just a little bit, like a natural highlight. I'm going to apply some concealer and then I'll be right back. Next in the box is from Pure, the Complexion Authority. This is the bronzer and Brighten cheek palette. Retail price $34. Whoa, oh my goodness. Look at this. So this is the highlight, this is the blush, this is the bronzer. Let's go in with the bronzer. Oh my god, oh my god. In the beginning, I thought it was like, whoo, it looks so pigmented, but once you blend it out, it's really nice. Okay, I want to pop into this highlight. I'm really like looking at this. So nice. I want to see how this blush is. This right here, oh my god, I am loving it. Wow, I'm just so impressed. The highlight, the bronzer, the blush. This is going to be so great for when spring and summer hits. Oh, the last thing in the box is this item right here from Girlactik. Is the matte lip paint. Retail price $23. Ooh, okay, liking this. Matte lip paint in Posh. Let's see how this color looks on me. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of lip balm because it's matte, so I don't want it to look so crazy. This Girlactik matte lip paint, I love the color. Even though it's like drying down, it's not like it's sucking the life out of my lips. I am done with the box. I have no more items. I am loving January's box. The only thing I have like a about is the brow product from It Cosmetics, right? Yep. The overprice of January Rock 2018 Boxycharm is $144. That concludes my video. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like my video and also subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm going to need another palette. Says the I love you. I have straight matte shallows. What?